Hello everyone, take a white base cake and then using a long cake spatula, make these vertical and horizontal lines on it. Make 4 of them as such and then using a piping bag with purple frosting in it, outline this and then add it at the base as well. On the sides of your cake, add little heart shapes using the same purple frosting and then in the center, mix the white and purple frosting and make flowers out of it as such. Next, we'll start off by adding a message on the top to begin with, and then we may also add a message in the side that we have made separately. Now, taking some green frosting in a piping bag, make these leaf-like shapes and do the same on the top as well. Now, using orange, make flower shapes out of it on top of each of the stems that you've created. We've also added colors such as light pink and blue as such. You can also add other messages aside from this. Next, take some red frosting and blue frosting in different shades, add it to the top of your cake and then spread it around as such using a cake spatula. After you mix it apart, this is what it should look like. Flatten it out as much as possible, do the same for the sides of the cake. Now take some brown frosting and then make a circular shape out of it, make it look like a planet. Next, take a cake spatula and then, using a rotatable cake plate, begin to move it around and make the shape at the top of it. Now, using these heart-shaped stencils, make multiple of them and then peel it out once it has dried. Add it all around the top of your cake. Now, add more texture to the side of your cake as well. Next, we've started off by taking a plain white cake as such and then take some blue frosting in a piping bag and then add it to the top of your cake. Spread it out using a cake spatula and then on the sides of it, add a heart shape using this white. On the top of your cake, take some orange frosting and then add 2 little blobs out of it and add your message to the top of your cake. Next, start off by adding blue frosting to the top of your cake. Spread it around using your cake spatula as such. Now, add a little yellow circular piece to it and underneath it, add a little cloud to it. Now, beside it, add little dots and other sort of creations as such. Next, take a pink base cake, then take some white frosting in a piping bag, surround your cake with it as such and also make these wave-like shapes on the side of it. Remove the excess of it as much as possible, then make a heart shape in the center of your cake at the top and then make some more hearts and then include it within it. This will be the final look. Thank you for watching.